Today I look like a mess and we're gonna be trying out a new concealer from Milani. This is the Conceal Plus Perfect Concealer. So I'm gonna be doing my makeup routine as usual and we'll see how this applies. So I'll see you after I have my base on. As you can see right now, I just applied my foundation and my skin looks pretty even. So we're gonna see how this concealer performs. I'm gonna be doing some check-ins at the end of the day. I work today, so I'm gonna be really sweaty by the end of the night and we'll see how long it wears. This is claiming to be a Longwear concealer. It's full coverage. And I tried their Conceal Perfect foundation and it's really a really great, really full coverage foundation. So I have really high expectations for this. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it and then I'm gonna do the rest of my face and then you'll see the end look and I'll show you at the end of the night how well this worked throughout the day. This is the applicator. Flat applicator. I'm using the shade 130 Light Beige. I haven't done back in and there's a lot of products still on the other side of the applicator. To be honest, I am really liking it. It's covered every single imperfection that I have on my skin. I look like I'm perfect and I'm not. So I'm gonna do the rest of my face and we'll see how makeup wears on top of it. I'm gonna also clean underneath my brows with the same concealer and I'm gonna be using my 170/2 brush from Morphe, that little concealer brush to clean underneath. So we'll see how that works as well. So far, the shade of this concealer is a really great match for me. It's not too light and it's not too dark. Kind of like highlight a little bit underneath my eyes. So it worked really great for that as well. So for the application process, really good. We'll see about how long wearing it is. I created today. If you like the look, let me know and I can actually do a tutorial on it. And if you're new, please subscribe, make sure that you like this, and I'm gonna check with you at the end of the night to see how the concealer is doing. So far it's doing really good. I really enjoyed the coverage that I got from it, and I enjoyed the color that I got as well because it really suits my skin tone. So if you are kind of like a medium type of girl, I got light beige to kind of like highlight a little bit, and it worked really good on me. So I'm gonna see you later tonight and see how my hair and everything did at the end of the night, because I'm gonna work until really late tonight, and then we'll see how everything wore down. Thank you for watching. I'll be right back. Alright guys, this is my last check-in. Right now it's 12 o'clock at night. I did this makeup look at around 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and as you can see, like everything still there. Like the eyeshadow is still as bright as it was when I did it. The lipstick is already fade off, but still like little pigment there left. The most important part was the concealer, and it's there. It hasn't moved. I have a little bit of my mascara transferred over here from sweating, and my lower lash line's a little like messy over there. It's not as clean as it was when I did it. But the actual concealer really were nice. It's been through sweating and through a really long day at work. And as you can see, it's pretty great. Even the foundation, it actually like made a really, they complemented each other really great throughout the day. So I enjoyed this, and I actually went shopping and bought a bunch of new stuff from brands that I never tried before. And I'll be testing them out soon too in some other videos. And yeah, this was it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will definitely be reaching for that concealer again, the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Concealer. Really nice concealer. It worked pretty great. It is really not, it doesn't feel heavy, and it's not cakey at all on the face. It looks pretty good. So yeah, that is my review on that. Thank you for watching.